Hello and welcome back to the BEEiLab channel. Today, we're diving into the world of creating captivating maps with Symbology, focusing on point shapefiles using QGIS software. If you haven't caught our previous video on Symbology for polygons, we highly recommend checking that out first. Join us on this journey as we explore the art and science of Symbology in QGIS for point data. After opening the points in QGIS, right-click on the shapefile and go to the Properties section and then go to the Symbology tab. In the highlighted section, you'll find a variety of default symbols for points. Select any of them and then click OK to see the results. For instance, we chose the red circle, and here is the resulting map. Similar to polygons, when we click on Simpler Marker, a range of options opens up, allowing us to customize colors, remove point boundaries, and more. For example, within the highlighted section, you'll find options for the point boundary. Setting it to no line will remove the boundary line around the points. In addition to simple symbols, QGIS provides powerful tools for Symbology. Navigate to the Symbology tab and click on the single symbol at the top of the window. Opt for the categorized option, similar to what we did for polygons. In our example, we're working with active fire data detected by the MODIS satellite, with each point having a detection date. We want to visualize this information by color-coding points based on the acquisition date. Therefore, we select the ACQ_date for the value box. After selecting this column, click on the Classify button. Remember, you can customize the color map in the highlighted section. In this case, we set it to red. Finally, click on the OK button to see the results. As you can see, the darker colors represent later dates, while lighter colors indicate earlier dates. Furthermore, we can explore other columns for Symbology. For instance, let's use the confidence column in the value box and apply classification. In this case, we have 3 confidence levels, L for low, N for normal, and H for high, as indicated by the distinct colors on the map. Now, let us explore the graduated option. Head to the Symbology tab and click on the graduated option. In the new window, choose the brightness column for the value box. In this map, we aim to represent points with greater brightness values with larger sizes. Now, click on the method box. Here you can choose the size or color option. Based on our goal, we chose the size mood. After selecting the size, you can customize the size range and colors according to your preferences. Finally, click on the Classify button to see the results. Notice how points with higher brightness values now have larger sizes. Now, I challenge you to implement the graduated Symbology option for a line shapefile. Imagine you have a road shapefile, and each street has a grade. Your task is to create a map where lines with greater grades are represented by thicker strokes. Give it a try, and share your results with us in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this journey into Symbology for point shapefiles in QGIS. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the BEEiLab channel for more geospatial techniques. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.